Hi guys, let's go ahead and take a look at this week's assignment. First thing I want you to understand is that this week you will only be tasked with completing one assignment, but this one assignment is a major grade, so it's going to be one of your two test grades this 6 weeks. So do your best on it. You're going to have a few options for how to handle this assignment. You can either write a poem or a literary nonfiction piece, which is just a fancy way of saying a true story. And if you go that route, you have your prompts right down here. Right? All of the prompts are related to school, and they're pretty straightforward and easy to understand. Or, if you're feeling a little more daring, you can write an expository essay, what we typically call star essays. Over the course of the year, we probably wrote pretty close to 10 of those, so you should be veterans at writing this thing. These things should be old hat to most of you, but I know they're boring to most people. So you don't have to go that route. If you're feeling super creative, you can go with a poem. Or if you just want to tell the story of something that happened to you, you can write a literary nonfiction piece. The prompts for your expository essays are right down here. They're also pretty easy to follow, but it's been a little while. So let's talk about what's going to be required of you. If you decide to write a poem, here are your requirements. They're similar to the requirements that I had for the last poem that you wrote. If you're going to go for a literary nonfiction piece, it has to be a minimum of 250 words. It has to include conflict, a setting, rising action, a climax, and a resolution. All right. If you are struggling to remember what stanzas or what these specific rhyme schemes actually mean, you can come up here and click on this PowerPoint right here, and all of that stuff will be broken down for you. If you need help remembering what's required of you in an expository essay, if you decide to go that route, you can come up here and click on this PowerPoint right here. This PowerPoint is the one that we went through way back at the very beginning of the school year before we wrote our very first expository essay together. So everything's broken down for you right here if you go that route. So again, this is a test grade, and you have a few options. You can write a poem or a literary nonfiction piece about any of these topics here, or you can write an expository essay that focuses on one of these prompts here. Your requirements are right here, and when you are finished, you can click on this blue link here and it'll take you to the submission page and you can submit your work. If you are a student eligible to go to CM, your modified requirements are right down here. Basically, that is it for this week. It's all pretty straightforward. If you have any questions or anything, you can email me. I look forward to seeing y'all's work. Thanks.